We're over here at beautiful Marina Beach. And I just met up with my friend. What is your name?
Isaias.
Isaiah what?
Rodriguez.
Isaiah Rodriguez. We just met each other and I signed my name right over there on the sand thing. Me and Isaiah met up right here and he had a few questions for me, so I just figure I might as well answer them right now on camera so everybody can hear. So Isaiah, what questions do you have for me?
Well, one of the questions for you today is, what the hell are you doing here?
That's a great question. So right now what I'm doing is I am on a voyage. I started in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and then I've been cruising around the United States. So I went all the way up the East Coast, all the way on the north, all the way to the West Coast, and then now I'm cruising south from California. And now I'm over here in Monterey getting some new stuff for my camera. I'm getting a new GoPro, and I've been staying in my car, and I have a little tent on top of my car. I didn't tell you that, Isaiah. I have a tent on top of my car, and I've been cruising around the country, videoing, and meeting new people just like you.
How has the trip been so far? I mean...
Dude, the trip has been awesome. I've done so many things, and I've found myself during this trip. I've found who I am as a person, what dreams that I have, and what I'm going to do in the future.
Yeah, you talked to me a little bit about you wanted to study, what, marine biologist? Is that what you said?
Marine biology, correct. I'm a marine biologist. I have my master's degree in marine biology, and I got my degree over in St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands, which you didn't believe me in the beginning.
I did not.
And he didn't believe my name was Bo Green. It's like too good to be true. Because my name has green in it, and I'm all about biology and just nature in general.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about how you changed your perspective and now you want to do something else. It's like teach kids.
Yeah, so in the beginning I wanted to be a scientist. I was super pumped about being a scientist, going out, going different places out of the world and trying new things. Let's say I'm a scientist, right? Let's say I'm a scientist working on all these different things. I'm working on molecular biology, I'm working on fish populations, and I put all this time and effort and money into my research project. Well, it's not going to mean anything if the kids growing up don't appreciate nature. So what I've found is it's more important to show kids how cool nature is. Just like go out there and have a great time. And what I've found is my passion is within nature and within kids. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've decided that I'm going to become a biology teacher. Completely switch my major from being a scientist to teaching kids how cool nature is. So does that wrap everything up for you? Do you have any more questions for me?
Yeah, I have another question.
Okay.
Where are you going after staying here?
So I'm going up north to pick up my GoPro, brand new GoPro Hero 7. I'm really excited about it. I got my GoPro because my old one's not as good, and I can just walk around with my GoPro and record instead of carrying that thing, you know. And then what I'm going to do after I pick up my GoPro Hero 7, I'm going to cruise south, and I'm going to go to Big Sur, where you suggested, Big Sur, and then I'm going to go to St. Louis Obispo and check out the different middle schools. Check out the different middle schools. I did all of my research today. And I'm going to call them all. Be like, hey, my name's Bo Green. You guys need a biology teacher? I'm just going to keep calling them and asking them about that. And then I'm actually going to make my way into Mexico.
Did you really just say Mexico?
I sure did.
What are you going to do in Mexico?
I'm going to go surfing.
You're surfing in Mexico? Where? Like...
In Baja California.
Baja California,
yeah, man. I have an inflatable paddleboard in my car, and I'm just going to pump it up, do some fishing, and send it over to Mexico right after I apply to all the jobs in LA, in Catalina, and St. Louis Obispo. Check out San Diego, and then I'm going straight to Mexico.
That's a great plan. You already know what you're doing.
I know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm not expecting anything. I have an overarching plan. I have a dream, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes in order to pursue that dream, which is to get kids out here, experience nature, and love nature.
Hey, what do you want to tell all the people that know you back from high school, and then now you're a different person, like you changed yourself?
Dude, back in high school, I was the life of the party. I was the craziest kid. I was the kid that's always, you know, supplying the alcohol, supplying the parties, and now I don't even drink. I don't drink anything, I don't smoke, and I'm completely high on life and high on my dreams. So what I would tell all those people out there is to look at yourself in a different perspective. Kill the noise, go out into nature, experience it to find exactly who you are as a person. You will find your dream, and then you can pursue that dream, and anything is possible. It doesn't matter if you want to go to the moon. Isaiah, if you want to go to the moon, it's going to happen. Because once you get a dream and it's infested in your brain and you cannot even sleep, you're going to make it happen. No matter what, you can make your dreams happen. So that's what I would tell everybody who knew me from high school. Is that
I want to go somewhere where no one has ever been there before.
You want to go where?
Mars.
Mars?
Yeah, we can't go to Mars right now.
That would be rad. So let's go to Mars together, Isaiah.
Let's go.
Alright guys, I guess this completes my whole video. Unless you have any more questions for me?
I think that's it for today.
Alright Isaiah, dude, thank you so much for being my videographer today. Isaiah is actually a photographer.
No problem.
If you want to check out his page, I'll put a link to his description. I'll put a link to his page in the description below. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey, and thank you Isaiah for being here and making this happen.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Alright guys, I'll catch you on the flip side. Next video, I have no idea what I'm going to do, but Isaiah's inspired me. I'm going to post everything that I have, maybe twice a week. I'm going to start posting twice a week of my adventures.
Good content. You guys have to check him out.
Good content. Alright man, thank you guys, and remember, go out there and live your dream. If you'd like to follow my adventures in my dream, click on my floating head down below. And don't forget to subscribe and also to press the notifications bell so you don't miss a beat.